Want to boost your credit score but don't want to open new credit cards? Yeah, that's totally possible. In this video, I'll show you several ways to improve your credit score without adding new cards so you can grow your credit safely and effectively. The easiest way is to reduce your credit utilization. Pay down balances on your current cards or loans. Keeping your utilization under 30% shows lenders you're responsible and can increase your score. Payment history is the biggest factor in your score. Make sure all bills, credit cards, loans, and utilities are paid on time. Set up reminders or automatic payments to avoid missed due dates. Length of credit history also matters. Avoid closing old accounts, even if you don't use them often. Older accounts help maintain your average account age and support your score. You don't need new cards to diversify. Use existing credit responsibly, make small purchases on different accounts, and pay them off. A mix of credit types helps your score. Errors can drag your score down. Review your credit reports for mistakes and dispute any inaccurate late payments or accounts. Correcting errors can boost your score without opening new credit. Finally, track your progress using free credit monitoring tools. Seeing your score improve motivates you to keep good habits and ensures no new negative items appear. And that's it. By paying down balances, making timely payments, keeping old accounts, diversifying existing credit, and fixing errors, you can boost your credit score without opening new cards. Stay consistent. It really works. If this helped,